and we also got some funding. His first reaction was like, "Abhay, this is the same thing we did in a college project in IIM Calcutta." I completely forgot about it after that college project finished. So much for joining us today. It's a very, very special moment in Swiggy's journey. I think we are unveiling the next phase of our journey as a corporate citizen. It's, people have asked me if it is sinking in. I mean, it's been a long phase of sinking in for me. So today is like just another day of that sinking in. The last few months have been like preparing for this day and what comes after. And you can only prepare so much, but here we are. Today, I just wanted to talk about maybe 2-3 aspects that I felt like sharing. And the first one is in our regular founding story stuff that we talked about. We say we were doing courier aggregation, then we pivoted into something in logistics, and then that became Swiggy. But actually, in year 2, when I got an old college friend to join us to head expansion, and I was talking about what I was doing, and we also got some funding. His first reaction was like, "Abhay, this is the same thing we did in a college project in IIM Calcutta." Actually, that germ of an idea actually completely escaped my mind. And then sometimes it's quite crazy. I went and looked back in that document. It was replete with, at that time, crazy monetization levels, advertising, corporate ordering, delivery-only kitchens, crazy. And this was 2010-11. And I was, for a second, completely awestruck, saying, okay, there's a germ of an idea that sometimes sits in your head and just lives subconsciously. I completely forgot about it after that college project finished. And then, in a very different way, again came to the same idea without knowing it at all. So for that idea to have first gotten executed itself is a rarity, but to execute it to the size and scale and the moment that we have right now is an absolute miracle and nothing short of a miracle. And these miracles don't happen without incredible contributions from so many folks who've come along the way to give us support in every stage of the journey. Firstly, I want to thank my co-founding team, Nandi, Rahul, Funny, for being incredibly amazing pillars in a journey that's seen, like every founder's journey, so many ups, so many downs. The trust we've built, the camaraderie that we've built, so much we've done together and so much to do in the future. Thank you so much. Very, very excited to go into this next stage. Next, I'd like to give a huge thank you to so many thousands of Swigsters and ex-Swigsters who joined us when they had no business joining us. They didn't need to believe us, but they did. And folks, together, all of you, if you're listening in, we've built this thing brick by brick to build the institution that we have and the institution that we will. Thank you so much. Now I want to go into the ecosystem, right? I mean, it takes a village to get these kind of things going. So thank you so much to all the investors who've joined us at various parts of time, our restaurant partners, brand partners, more importantly, our delivery partners who are riding every single day to deliver joy to our consumers. It really takes a village, and boy, have we had a beautiful village. Lastly, it would be remiss of me not to talk about my wife, Neeta. She's been my biggest energy source in life. When there are trials, tribulations, I think going back home to her and the family has always filled me with energy, and so much of it to go back to have a spring in the shot for the next morning. Thank you. I think lastly, when I think about, let's say, the moment we're in and the years that we're going to see, one of the things that I'm most excited about is Swiggy itself is happening to India at an incredible time for India. I think when we look at the next 1-2 decades, I think it's India's 2 decades. I think so much economic growth in front of us. Indian pride in just being Indian is just at an all-time high. And all of this economic growth is obviously going to show up in the cities. Without urbanization, we're not going to find the way to actually satisfy our dreams and ambitions about growing the country. And needless to say, there will be some stressors on the cities as we go in pursuit of this incredible economic growth. But my love letter to our consumers is that with a little bit of Swiggy in your lives, maybe you won't just get economic growth, but enjoy the economic growth that's coming at you over the next 1-2 decades. Thank you so much, folks. Now we're ready for this. Thank you so much for coming. Thank you so much to everyone listening in. Thanks.